Learn today. Our body organs. Internal organs. Our body organs. Our body has many organs. They help us do different things. In this picture, we can see ears, nose, eyes, tongue, and skin of this boy. We see with our eyes. We smell with our nose. We taste with our tongue. We hear with our ears. We feel with our skin. These organs can be seen from outside. They are called as external organs. Internal organs. We also have some organs that we cannot see from outside. They are called internal organs. Some of our internal organs are the brain, lungs, stomach, and kidneys. Let us look at our internal organs. Heart. Heart is like a pump. It carries blood to all parts of the body. See how it is working like a pump, carrying blood to all parts of the body. Heart is of the size of a closed fist. Where is the heart? The heart is located between the lungs. Gently place your hands on your chest and you can feel the heartbeat. The doctor uses a stethoscope to hear our heartbeat. We should exercise daily and eat a balanced diet to keep our heart healthy. Lungs. What is that we keep doing all the time, even when we are sleeping? Yes, it is breathing. Our lungs play an important role in breathing. We have two lungs in our body. Where are our lungs? The lungs are present inside our chest, protected by the rib cage. When we breathe in, the lungs take in air. When we breathe out, the lungs push out air. Brain. The brain controls each and every action we perform. It helps us think. Brain is present inside our head. It receives messages from different parts of our body. It then sends signals to other parts of the body in response to the message. For example, when we touch something hot, the brain gets a message that it is hot. It immediately sends a signal telling us to remove our hand so that we do not get a burn. How to take care of the brain? We have to wear helmets when riding a bike or a cycle. Exercise your brain by learning new things, playing games and solving puzzles. And we should get enough sleep daily. Kidneys. We have two kidneys in our body. They are present below the rib cage. They look like kidney beans. The kidneys filter out the waste from the blood. This waste passes out of our body in the form of urine. We should drink at least 6 to 8 glasses of water or other liquids to keep our kidneys healthy. Stomach. Our stomach is like a bag. It stores food that we eat. The stomach helps in breaking the food by crushing and churning it. We should eat hygienic foods to keep our stomach healthy. Eating fruits and vegetables also helps in proper functioning of the stomach. Let us recall. The organs present inside our body are called internal organs. The brain controls each and every part of our body. The lungs helps in breathing. The heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. The kidneys help to filter the blood and remove waste from our body. The stomach is our food storage organ of our body. Thank you.